I'm going to be building this VIPEK garment rack I got in the mail and I'm super excited about. I just opened the box and this is what it looks like inside. It has all of the pieces. I can't wait to use it. This has silent casters on the bottom so it can roll from room to room and get around really easily if you need to. Extra hooks on top can be used for hanging purses or anything you need. Also has a large hanging capacity with the 2 rods on it. I'm honestly surprised at how tall this is. I had to climb on a ladder or like a step stool to do the top, but this is definitely massive. But I can get it in my closet and I'm super thrilled with it. This is the garment rack with some of my daughter's playthings on it, just because you can see it holds a lot and the shelves are super sturdy. I would highly recommend this to anyone that's looking for a garment rack.